Hey, and welcome to Introduction to Sauce Labs with Selenium WebDriver. My name is Nikolai, I'm going to be your instructor, and I'm really excited to have you here with me today learning about this amazing technology known as Sauce Labs. It will take your test automation to completely new heights, I promise. It will help you to do things that you never thought were possible. And I'm really excited to be teaching you here, so let's go ahead and jump right in. First, we've got to get some administrative stuff out of the way just so that I can make you aware of everything about this course, and then we can dive into the content. Now, this course is not a beginner's course by any means. So what that means for you is that you need to have excellent knowledge of Selenium WebDriver in order to take this course and comprehend everything that is going on in this course. Of course, you don't have to know Selenium WebDriver in order to follow these videos, but you're definitely going to be lost. I'm going to be doing a lot of very advanced things. The tests, they're already written out. The tests are using complicated, not very complicated, but they're using object-oriented design, and they're using Selenium WebDriver in complicated ways. So you need to have a good understanding to be able to know what is going on. I'm not going to be teaching basic things in here like any kinds of Selenium commands like find by element or any kind of navigations or manipulations. I'm not going to be teaching any of that. I'll be focusing on Sauce Labs and getting your test hooked into Sauce Labs. So if you do need that basic Selenium understanding to feel more comfortable, you always have the complete Selenium WebDriver course. That'll teach you everything you need to know for Selenium WebDriver, and then you can come back and take this course. With all of that said, you need an ability to write code. Now, I'm going to be teaching using Visual Studio and C#, but that doesn't mean that you have to use the same technologies that I use. You can use any technology that you want. If you're comfortable with Java and JUnit, no problem, or Java and Eclipse, whatever, Ruby, Python, you can use those, but you need to be able to write code, which means you need an IDE, which means you need programming experience. Because again, we're going to be using Sauce Labs here. We're not going to be focusing on basic kind of concept. This is an advanced course. So if you're able to do it, then you can follow along with any kind of IDE and any kind of language. Obviously, the naming conventions of some classes and methods will change just a little bit in Sauce and Selenium, but other than that, everything will apply and be exactly the same, regardless of the programming language that you're using. Finally, I want to point you to this URL right here, ultimateqa.com/courses-resources-sauce-labs. This will be your new best friend for this course. This will contain all the resources that I mentioned in here. It'll contain Sauce Labs articles. It'll contain the source code and anything else that I point out throughout the course. You can just go there and get it. I strongly recommend that you bookmark this because then you can easily reference it. And I certainly don't want to see any questions about where the source code is for this online tutorial. If I see it, I will be very angry. No, I'm joking, of course. I'm not going to be angry, but it will help you, certainly, to bookmark that URL so that you can visit it more easily.